In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to upload and share a lesson or a quiz in SimLab VR Studio through SimLab Cloud. To begin, go to the SimLab Academy, then Evaluation, then select Upload Lesson. The first item will play the tutorial video, so drag and drop the second item to load the scene. This is the 2 posts lift experience we used in earlier tutorials, and as you can see, it has the same quiz and the same questions we created before, and we are set to upload it as a lesson. In the VR evaluation menu, you will find multiple ways that allow you to share this experience as a lesson. You can either upload the lesson using SimLab Cloud, or you can export it as an XAPI or SCORM to be integrated in different LMS systems. In this tutorial, we're going to use the Upload Lesson option, which does not require the use of an LMS or an LRS. Click on Upload Lesson. Sign in using your SimLab account. Once you're signed in, the Upload Lessons dialog will appear. In this dialog, you can fill the title and the publisher's name as well as a brief description for the lesson or the quiz. You can also click the thumbnail to the right to change the lesson's thumbnail. There are a number of distinct images to choose from, or you can select an image of your own. Under Lesson Assignment, you can specify which group and course to upload the lesson to. You can also specify the number of times the student is allowed to run the lesson. If set to unlimited, the student can run the lesson and take the quiz as many times as he wants. Click on VR Settings. In the Settings window, you can choose to optimize the package, which would reduce its size, and whether the package can be opened using the VR viewer only. You can also disable parts or all of the VR menu that is accessible during the lesson, and since we do not want the participant to modify the scene during the VR experience, we will disable the whole menu. As for the LRS settings, if you have your own learning record system, you can add it here by using custom settings. Otherwise, select SimLab to store the data on the SimLab Cloud servers. Click OK to upload the lesson. Once the lesson is uploaded, go to the VR evaluation menu and run the administrator. In the administrator, go to the Courses tab, and in the Mechanics 101, you will find the uploaded lesson. From here, you can see the results of each student on that quiz, but before that, we need to learn how to share the lesson with students. Close the administrator and from the SimLab VR Viewer menu select Open Viewer. Click the Sign In button and use your SimLab account credentials to log in. Once you're signed in, you have the option to choose from Personal Account or SimLab Soft Organization. The distinction here is made to differentiate between VR packages you personally uploaded or lessons uploaded to the organization, as well as which organization lessons to show in case you are a part of multiple organizations. Select your organization and click Confirm. Under My Lessons, you will find the course named Mechanics 101. Double-click the course to view its content. As you can see, the uploaded lesson named Lift Quiz can be found here. To the left you will find the contacts list, in which the students or the participants should be a part of. I already have some participants added for this tutorial, but to add new students or participants, click the Add icon. Type in the email of the user you want to share the lesson with, then click Add. Once you have added all the participants, select the Lift Quiz item and from the panel to the right, select Share. Now you can select which contacts to share the lesson with. You can either select them one by one, or switch to the Groups tab if you have a group of contacts and share the lesson with them. I'm going to log out of the admin account and switch to a student account to show you things from their perspective. For a student, once a lesson has been shared with him, he will find a tab named after the organization at the top of the screen. In that tab he will find the courses, and inside the Mechanics 101 course, he will find the Lift Quiz. He now can run the lesson in desktop mode or VR mode if he has a VR headset. You can press F2 on the keyboard to toggle the full screen mode in the VR viewer. Once the student finishes the first part of the lessons which guides him through the process of using the car lift, he can now take the quiz. After the student answers the last question, he then submits the quiz and it will directly be sent to the administrator or the teacher, and he can view the results, which we will learn how to do in an upcoming tutorial.